Hey everybody, I'm setting up a clothesline here in this unused space in our house. Good place to have a clothesline, it's out of the way, but it gets a good amount of sunlight. So anyway, I've already set up the levels. You can watch the video where I use the string line to set up my levels. Make sure you check that out. What I'm going to be doing is setting up some uprights and a cross piece and tying the wire in between. I'm going to time lapse the whole thing so you can just watch as I do it. I'm using 90 by 45 treated pine and great big screws. These 150mm 6-inch bugle button screws will be going through the posts, through the uprights into posts, which I've already found the position of. They will be fixing the uprights. There'll be brackets on those, timber coming across the top, then I'll hang the wire. Let's have a look at it, see how it turns out. well, that's it. You happy?
Very happy. It's the best clothesline in the world.
I didn't want to fix it to the house, so well, I got the camera on the right angle, but that is actually loose on that side, and that's why I've got the brackets there to keep it square off the fence. And I can't go with it when it's weighted down. It's not going to go anywhere because it'll actually just pull the fence over a couple of millimeters and be jammed into the house. So my version of a clothesline for this particular space. See you again very soon, everybody. Bye.
Wonderful, Geoff. Absolutely wonderful.